Hey, there's one thing that's actually true for expenses, and it's that they are consistent. Every month you gotta pay your rent, your car, your taxes, your electricity, your water, your food, and your wife if you bought one. Are there any countries where you can buy a wife? Let me know in the comment section down below. But you probably know that having a wife is a depreciating asset, so we had to add that into the expenses. What if we also got consistent income to pay all that? Reliable income, money that comes in on a regular basis into our bank accounts. I'm making this video because you need to know about some websites that can make you $100 a day if you do your due diligence, and the exact process to use them and to cash out, to withdraw the money. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So subscribe if you're new and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out. You know what? If you comment your Instagram username, YouTube username, TikTok username down below, I'll shout it out in one of the next videos. So this is a way for you to grow. And when you comment your Instagram username or whatever username, I'll put it in this jar. And in the beginning of one of the next videos, I'll do something like this. And also, while you're at it, grab a cup of coffee because you probably need it for this tutorial. Here are 10 websites to make $100 a day. So the first one, roll up your sleeves. The first website is Fiverr. We're going from the least creative way to the best way, in my opinion. The first way, and it's actually one of the easiest ways to make money online of $100 a day, especially with the things I'm going to show you, is Fiverr. There are a lot of better ways, but I'm saving the best for last. So on Fiverr, one of the things you can actually do is create thumbnails for other people. And if we sort this by best selling right here, we can see that a lot of sellers have had over 1,000 orders, right? For example, if this person is charging around $10 for one YouTube thumbnail, which is not that hard to make, like it's really easy. All you gotta do is Photoshop, you crop it out, add some shadowing, nice font that looks like Bada Boom, a little bit of shadowing or maybe not, and then the background is changed color. Probably takes like 5 minutes to make a thumbnail like this if you're a professional like this guy. And as you can see, he has over 1,000 reviews, which means he made over 10 grand from just this offer. If you check his account, he probably has other offers or not. Oh, look at that, 3,000 feedback, right? So if we multiply this by $10, he made over 30 grand on Fiverr. If we go on this guy, Tom God, he has a plan for $50 for 10 thumbnails. Let's say the average plan is $15 and he has 3,000 feedback plus. If we multiply 3,095 by $15, he made over 46 grand from this service. Let's go on blog post because this is one of the easiest things you can do. And all of these things, if you decide to start them, you just YouTube or Google how to do them. You can probably learn in a day. I did it in a day. Like the thumbnails you see, I probably learned them in a day. It's not that hard. So if we sort the blog post by best selling again, we'll see some people offering blog posts at $60, right? This person had 470 blog posts starting in $45. If we go on the premium plan, which is 1,250 words, and by the way, on my main e-commerce website and my business, we do not do below 2K words. We always do 2K plus, so it's double what she's offering pretty much. But like a standard blog post will be around 1,000 words. No one wants 500 or 700 words right now, especially for competitive blogs. So if she's did $105, 467 orders, she made 50 grand. And from experience, I can tell you that a good copywriter can write a blog post of 1,000 words if he's kind of acquainted with the topic in around an hour. So she can make $100 an hour. If she got only one blog post or order per day, which I highly doubt, she was making $100. Okay, so the second way to actually make money, $100 or more, the second website is YouTube and it's Compilation Channels. Websites or channels that you do not show your face in. Let me show you what I mean. If we go on a channel, for example, let's just write compilation, cat compilations. I want to show you how much money these websites actually make. This video has 80 million views, but I'll show you how much they're getting per day, or how much this channel has earned since the beginning. This channel has 3 million subscribers, which is a lot, but they're at 1 million, because it's billion, it's like this, million, one, should be like this, right? They have 1 billion or 1,270 million views. Normally, what you would do and how you calculate views is by 1,000. So they got 1,200 and 700 times the RPM. My RPM right now is 3.5 bucks. So if they had an RPM similar to mine, or the money they make for 1,000 views, they would make $4.5 million from just uploading cat videos or compilation channels. There's a lot of guys on YouTube on how to do it. I just want to mention it for you to consider. Number 8 is Skillshare. On Skillshare, you can actually create classes for other people, and based on the watch minutes your classes are getting, you get paid accordingly. If you know something like video editing, Photoshop, you can teach it probably with just by recording yourself from your iPhone, social media, something that you've learned from my channel. You can create a course around it and make some extra income here. $100 a day is definitely possible. But I've got even better websites coming up. Udemy is actually a little bit better. It's considered a little bit better. And what's interesting about Udemy is people pay per course. Let me just show you. This course right here costs 13 euros. And this person has 300,000 feedback, right? If you multiply this by 13 euros, this user made 8.2 million euros, or like 4.1 million euros, or like 4.5, 4.6 million dollars from just creating this called bootcamp, right? This is how much, it's 14 hours, it's 21 hours of video. So it probably took him a month to make or something, maybe 2 months, but he generated millions of dollars, something that people do not make within their whole lifetime. So it's a little bit better than Skillshare. Then we have Upwork. Depending on the skills you have, you can offer your services. Let's say that from my channel, you learn how to do Instagram growth. Let's see how much this goes for. People are charging $100 an hour. As you can see here, this person made over $50,000 from 20 jobs. $65 an hour, $95 an hour, $75 an hour, and a lot of them were from the last year. We hire a lot of people on Upwork, and it's very rare to find someone as good as that. He treats every task. Look at that. As you can see, this person made quite a bit of money for just consulting on Instagram. 13 bucks, 10 bucks plus an hour, so it works. It's a good idea, it seems. Another idea is, if you play some video games, you can actually go on player actions and sell your gold account or whatever. For example, if you play a game like World of Warcraft, you can sell your gold. There are World of Warcraft classic accounts, for example, you can level something like this. An orc male, 170 bucks. You can sell it within a day. There you go. And this seller has over 85,000 feedback. If you check my reputation on this website, I've got over 6,000 sales, and most of them are above $100. So I probably made over $1 million in revenue. That's not profit. They're taking a big commission of it, but it's pretty good money. It's over 9 years, I'm pretty sure, because I started doing this when I was a kid. Yeah, I remember since 2011, but it's a good website nonetheless. The next website is actually Clickbank. Clickbank lets you promote products for you to get paid. So let's say that you are a female or male using a hair product and you just promote it on your Facebook. You can get a few sales, and based on the commission, you can make money. It's a scalable business, because from the things you've learned, you can start a YouTube channel around it, an Instagram account around it, makeup or whatever, and promote some of the things that are around Clickbank. If you're starting a motivational channel, there's a lot of products that can pay you over $100 per day, per sale, sometimes hundreds of dollars per just one sale. So even if you get a little bit of traffic, if the traffic you get to your Instagram account, YouTube account, or website or blog, even if it's very little, you can still make money. The next way is actually Instagram.com. I've done a lot of videos on my channel how to make money from Instagram. If you're serious about it, they take more than 10 minutes to explain, so you should definitely check the video in the description above. It's worth it. It's one of the best methods. Then we go into blogging. Blogging is creating content on YouTube or on your blog around a niche with longer keywords to start, to rank on search engines, to create consistent income. A lot of people are making thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars from their YouTube channel or blog. Let's go to a YouTube channel like Graham Stephen. He had a few videos explaining that with 2 million subscribers, he was making over like $400,000 or something per month based on his different products that he's selling and stuff like that. So if we divide $400,000 by 8 million views, he's making like 5 cents per view. He's literally making like $50 per 1,000 views. This is insane. Like my channel is getting 10k views per 48 hours. If I was achieving what he is per view, I was going to be making 10k multiplied by 50. I was going to be making $500 per 48 hours or $250 a day. Imagine that. Which brings us to our last idea. It's actually to create your own product. Graham Stephen did that. A lot of people do that. I have an agency, so that's my own product. You can be a course around your niche or something around the other things that you could be doing. It can be a virtual product. It can be a physical product. It can be a journal, a content calendar. So many ideas based on your niche. If you like this video and enjoy it, again, make sure you give it a like. It really helps out the channel. And I feel the love. And remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. This is not financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. The results can vary. And by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. Bye.